Okay, so I've created another Scratchpad. This time I put my hyprland.conf file in a Scratchpad and it gets loaded when I boot my PC. See that hyprland users are constantly having to go to the hyprland.conf file, changing things and so on. Mine gets loaded automatically and I can just press a key binding whenever and it shows up. Let me show you. So I made my key binding super and H. Boom, there it is. And it will always be there. Whether I log out, restart my PC, I can just press. I don't have to load it into a Scratchpad or anything like that. It's always just there, sitting ready. So let me just quickly show you the settings. It's in here. So all you have to do is, again, just create a key binding with, where is it now? hyprland.conf Scratchpad. So bind, mainMod or super, H, and then again the toggle special workspace. That creates the special workspace and it toggles it in and out when you press your key binding. And then the name that you want to give to your special workspace, config. Here's my magic one, my temporary Scratchpad. So it pretty much works the same. And then you want to start it at boot. So you just go to auto start. So exec-once equals obviously workspace special. So it's not a normal workspace, but your special workspace. The name of the workspace, mine is config. And in silent, because you don't want it when your PC boots, this to show up on first boot. So it will keep it silent and hidden away, so that you can just press your key binding. And then I just load my hyprland.conf file into Kate, the path. And that's it. 2 goddamn lines. You've got this instant, well, you got your hyprland.conf file on your doorstep, always ready to go. Doesn't matter on what state your PC is. Yeah, so good. Like and subscribe if you like this, and I'll see you later. Good.